Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Coolaroo Exterior Shade is probably one of the most versatile and effective solutions for enhancing your outdoor living spaces, offering a perfect blend of style, durability, and functionality to combat the elements while elevating your home's aesthetic appeal and comfort level. Number 5. Coolaroo Exterior Roller Shade, Cordless, Mocha. Block up to 90% of harmful UV rays with these shades. They provide optimal protection for your family and improve energy efficiency. Made from breathable knitted fabric, these blinds promote airflow while reducing heat. Enjoy improved privacy without sacrificing comfort. Easily raise and lower the shades with the wand crank mechanism. It's a safe, cordless design, certified safe for kids. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse with water and let them air dry. For tougher spots, use a mild cleanser. These shades are built to last with heavy-duty aluminum and fade-resistant fabric. They are easy to install on walls or ceilings. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, they enhance any window, porch, deck, patio, pergola, or gazebo. What we like. This shade offers excellent UV protection and breathability, keeping your space comfortable. Its cordless wand crank mechanism makes it incredibly safe and easy to operate, especially for families with children or pets. If you're looking for a safe, easy-to-use shade for your patio or porch that also provides good UV blocking, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. They do a fantastic job blocking the sun and keeping our back porch cool and comfortable. The quality is excellent, the instructions are good, the installation is easy, and they look great. These shades are great. It's a great way to keep the rain and snow out. We close them and turn on the patio heaters and we can enjoy our deck in the winter months too. We have lots of wind and cold weather and hot in the summer and they haven't faded and have held up great. You can still see the view through it but are shaded at the same time. Perfect solution for our situation. Number 4. Quictent 20 by 20 feet HDPE Sun Shade Sail Canopy. Finding the right size is crucial for a snug fit. Measure your anchor points and choose a shade sail 1 to 2 feet smaller than the measured space. Remember, the size refers to the straight line measurement, and it will naturally tighten when installed. Setting up your shade sail is a breeze. It comes with a complete hardware kit and ropes, making it easy to attach to various structures like trees, poles, or walls. You'll have a sturdy and secure shade in no time. Enjoy the outdoors without the harsh sun. This shade sail blocks up to 98% of harmful UV rays, providing a comfortable shaded area. You can relax in pleasant natural light, protected from sunburn. Designed with durability in mind, it features curved edges for maximum tension and reinforced corners with strong D-rings. This ensures it can withstand wind and light rain, providing long-lasting shade. This shade sail offers a practical and effective solution for your outdoor shading needs. It's designed for easy installation and robust performance, ensuring you can enjoy your patio or garden in comfort. We stand by our product and offer 24/7 support. If you have any questions or need assistance with your shade sail, we're always available to help. What we like. This shade sail boasts a very high UV block percentage, offering superior protection from the sun. It comes with a hardware kit for easier installation and is built with curved edges and double webbing for enhanced durability. If you need maximum sun protection for a larger outdoor area like a garden or patio and want a robust solution, this is the one to consider. What people say. Very well made, perfect for adding shade over our pool. Worked great for a summer COVID-19 wedding shower on the driveway. It kept a lot of people cooler and out of the direct sunlight. It's huge and with the sun it shrinks but great shade and covers my pool. I love it, gets the job done. Number 3. Coolaroo Premium Shade Sail Kit. Enjoy your outdoor space with confidence. This shade sail blocks up to 95% of harmful UV rays, reducing heat and preventing sun damage for ultimate comfort. Crafted from extra thick, tightly woven HDPE fabric, it offers industry-leading durability. It's built to last for both your home and small business. Elevate your outdoor aesthetics with its refined, modern look. This shade sail combines sophisticated style with high performance. Installation is secure and professional thanks to the included heavy-duty stainless steel hardware. Everything you need for a reliable setup is right here. Engineered to withstand the elements, it resists wind, rain, and intense sun. It also stays strong against fading, fraying, mold, and mildew. What we like. This premium shade sail provides excellent UV protection with a commercial-grade fabric that ensures long-lasting durability. Its luxury matte finish adds a sophisticated look to your outdoor space. If you prioritize both high performance and a refined aesthetic for your patio or permanent outdoor coverage, this option offers a stylish and robust solution. What people say. The shade is easy to install and provides excellent sun blockage, keeping the patio significantly cooler. It effectively reduces glare and heat, making outdoor spaces much more enjoyable. The material is durable and has held up well against wind and rain, maintaining its color and structure. Number 2. Coolaroo Wand-Operated Outdoor Roller Shade, Teak. Introducing the Coolaroo Wand-Operated Outdoor Roller Shade. It's a stylish and eco-friendly shade solution crafted from 100% natural bamboo. Designed with your family's safety in mind, this shade is completely cord-free and certified best for kids. It's perfect for homes with children or pets. Effortlessly adjust the shade to your desired height with its smooth and easy-to-use wand crank system. You can control the light and privacy with ease. This versatile shade is ideal for a variety of spaces, including patios, decks, sunrooms, and windows. It enhances privacy while reducing sun glare and heat. Engineered to resist fading from sun exposure, it also includes all the necessary hardware for a simple installation. Enjoy lasting beauty and effortless setup. What we like. Crafted from natural bamboo, this shade offers a unique, eco-friendly aesthetic for your space. It's completely cordless and certified kid-safe, making it a secure choice for homes with children or pets. If you're looking for a stylish, natural-looking shade that prioritizes safety and easy operation for your windows, patio, or sunroom, this is an excellent option. What people say. Perfect for my patio. I have 3 beige for picture windows as a sunscreen and 7 on my large patio. They were installed quite a few years ago and have worn well. Beautiful and block very well. I would recommend these to anyone with a sunny, hot porch. I ordered 2 of the 4 by 8 foot in teak wood to see if installing them would cut down on the thermal load inside the house from 2 windows in my bedroom which get blasted with summer afternoon sun. The temperature reading on the inside window covering is nearly 20 degrees cooler. Number 1. Coolaroo 439736 Screening Shade. Enjoy your outdoor spaces with enhanced privacy and protection. It blocks visibility and up to 70% of UV rays, while still allowing air to flow through. Perfect for patios, balconies, pools, and play areas. This product is built to last through all seasons. Its tear and fray-resistant mesh fabric can withstand sun, rain, wind, and daily wear in any climate. Achieve the perfect fit for your unique outdoor area. The flexible, non-shrinking fabric cuts cleanly and installs easily with clips or ties, making it ideal for fencing, pergolas, or partitions. Rest assured knowing it's safe for your loved ones. This material is 100% recyclable, lead, and phthalate-free, providing breathable privacy without harmful toxins. We stand behind its quality with a 15-year limited warranty against UV degradation. Enjoy lasting outdoor protection with confidence. It effectively blocks up to 70% of harmful UV rays. Stay protected and comfortable outdoors. Experience a cooler outdoor environment. It reduces the temperature underneath by up to 32%. What we like. This screening shade offers good UV protection and excellent airflow, making it ideal for creating private outdoor areas. Its durable, tear-resistant fabric is designed for year-round use and can be custom-fitted to various spaces like balconies or pergolas. If you need a flexible, durable screening solution for privacy and moderate sun protection on your balcony or around a play area, this is a practical choice. What people say. Coolaroo has consistently been good quality. In my experience, their fabric lasts about 6 to 7 years in Florida. The 12-foot width is easier to install because you spend less time connecting the different strips. One great thing about this product was that there were no creases in the shade cloth. It was easy to get smooth once installed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.